What is up, everyone? I am Danielle Banda with BOA Entertainment, and oh my gosh, I am so excited because we have here the myth, the legend, the ever so talented Sebastian El Trueno Juarez. Now, oh my gosh, we have so much to talk about, Sebastian. How are you doing, though? What's going on with you today? You look like you're relaxing, but that's not something you do. You're always super busy, so you probably had a really busy day.
Yeah. Right now we just got done with sparring, so I only have a couple sparrings left, and we're just working every day.
That's what I figured. You are a workaholic in the best way, always doing something amazing. Well, I'm so happy to catch up with you on behalf of our BOA Entertainment's crew. And our audience knows, our viewership knows that we were actually at one of your family's recent boxing events at the Harlingen Convention Center, hosted by Juarez Rolos Promotions. It was so fun. We interviewed all of the champions that night. And one of them was your brother. You might know.
Yeah.
Omar El Relámpago Juarez. So very, very cool. But we were like, wait a minute, hold up. Sebastian's not here. And we needed to stop everything and make sure that we got this interview with you because we want to know why. Now, you said you just got done sparring. Where are you? What's going on? Why weren't you there? We really missed you.
Yeah, no, I'm out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Training with my trainer Bob Santos. He lives out here, so I've been out here for 3-4 weeks already, and I'm gonna be out here till the fight, June 7th on DAZN, Orlando, Florida, with Box Lab. So it's a big step in my career, and I'm just, I'm ready, and I have to take those extra steps and make those extra sacrifices. And congratulations to everybody that was on the card. I was watching, but I wasn't there, but I was definitely cheering on for everybody, especially my brother.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, your presence was definitely missed, but man, we had so much fun with your family and all of your the boxers that train at your family's business, and so it was just so cool to see. But very cool that you're in Vegas. Congratulations on that, and of course, we are very familiar with Bob. We've interviewed him many times on BOA Entertainments, so that experience in itself is just truly amazing. How has that training been? I imagine it's like ever so challenging, and that you're learning new things every single day.
Yeah, this is my I think third or fourth camp out here in Vegas for a couple of weeks at a time. But this is the first time that I'm out here alone. So usually I have my dad, or we have other fighters or something. But this time I'm staying with Bob. It's a full camp, and we're just out here working right now. After this interview, we're gonna have to go run on top of Mount Charleston. So we're gonna go for a run over there. So after this, the work doesn't stop.
Yeah, you make me feel guilty. You're doing so many things. I need to level up. This is insane. It's so cool. A BOA Entertainment family, just so you guys know, before the interview, I asked Sebastian, have you had a chance to walk the strip, enjoy Vegas? And he's like, no, this is work mode. And I'm like, expected nothing less. So very, very cool. That's how you win, and you certainly are a winner. So very, very cool. Now, you mentioned being out there alone right now, which is amazing because you have that entrepreneurial mindset, that business mindset. You're always working on not one, but a million things. And I really, really love that. So what is the biggest challenge being out there? And then the way that you're overcoming it? I assume, it's just a determination and your faith and your family support. But you tell me, what do you think is something that you're like, okay, this was kind of hard being out here, but look, I'm here, I'm doing it.
I think the hardest thing, is just being away from my family. Weeks on end, two, I think it's been like a month and a half. It's about to be 2. So it's a little bit of time, away from my family. So I feel like that's the hardest part. But again, I've talked about it in many interviews that, there's sacrifices that you have to take if you want to, become successful. And, I'm in the business when it comes to, boxing, where I have to be taking these sacrifices, be taking these, opportunities, and just making the best out of it. And again, just I have to take these sacrifices, take these steps in my career, because again, this is a huge opportunity, and I don't want to take it for granted. So I have to make sure I do everything I can with it.
Well, look, you are doing something right because you actually have some major news. For those that maybe have missed it, or for those that are tuning in right now, you have signed a new deal. You have this brand new opportunity, and it is something big for your career. So, I mean, go ahead and make the announcement right now. What is the news that you want to share?
Yeah, I got signed with Box Lab Promotions. They have a couple world champions right now, and they've been working a lot with Eddie Hearn and a lot with MVP Promotion, which is Jake Paul and all them. So it's a huge opportunity. I'm gonna be fighting June 7th on the MVP card. So it's awesome. It's a good opportunity. All their fights are on the zone, so all my fights are gonna be televised, and everybody can watch me. You can see me, on YouTube. You can see me everywhere, So it's a huge opportunity, and again, I don't want to take it for granted. So I got to be working hard and do everything I can to make sure I make a name for myself.
Yeah, absolutely. And you are doing that every single day. I have like a million questions for you about this, and I have to keep it short enough, which is really hard. But I mean, this is incredible. Now, that fight, is that going to be in Orlando? Is that right?
Yeah, Orlando, Florida. Yeah, at the Caribe Royale hotel.
Oh, that's amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
Very, very cool. I'm so excited for you. This is truly, truly the next step. And I assume that this is going to lead to bigger and better things for you, because that's just your work ethic. So what do you think that this is going to be a stepping stone for? Like, what do you hope for after this event? Is it like going to be, you just keep leveling up? I assume you're just going to keep working harder.
No, 100%. There's just more motivation to get to where I want to go in my career, which is, of course, being the best fighter that I can be, being a multiple-time world champion, and just these are little steps that I have to take to eventually get to there. And just very grateful, very grateful and blessed for this opportunity. And just it's a huge opportunity, and I need to again make a name for myself so I can take those little steps to get those bigger opportunities for the world title, and eventually, one step at a time. But this is a big step to that.
Yeah, one step and one punch at a time. I don't know. I'm trying to learn your world. But this is so cool. Sebastian, I'm so proud of you. Our Boa Entertainment's family is so proud of you. And I got to ask you, because I did ask Omar, so I got to ask you, how are you representing the 956 when you're out there in Vegas and in Orlando and all these fancy places?
No, I mean, anytime anybody asks me, hey, where are you from? I'm from the Valley, 956. I'm from Brownsville, Texas. I'm always gonna be representing, where I'm from, because since I've been a little kid, they've always helped me out. And when I was fighting in my dad's shows, my last couple fights, they've always showed up, and I'm always gonna be representing them, because I'm never gonna forget where I'm from, which is Brownsville, Texas, the 956, the Valley, and I'm always gonna be representing them.
Very, very cool. Well, look, if you had to give a message right now to all of the champions at this last, event, what would you say? I know you're in touch with all of them. You guys got probably your chats and stuff.
Yeah.
But, for our Boa Entertainment viewers, give us a little sneak peek. What do you want them to know about those that maybe are still going to strive for winning next time, and then those that made it this time?
Just keep working hard. Keep working hard. I mean, me and my brother, we're proof that just because we're from, a small town, Brownsville, or just because you're from a smaller town, doesn't mean that you're limited to anything. The opportunities will come, and in my opinion, maybe I'm a little biased, but Juarez Roller Promotions is what's in the Valley. We're taking fighters, to the next level. And me and my brother are just, the tip of the iceberg. We're getting there. We're going to be, having more signees and more opportunities for every fighter. And just to be patient, because this is not just something that happened overnight. I've been working for this my whole life. I've done this since I could remember. And again, this is just a small opportunity for bigger things to come. And just to be patient. Patience is key, really, because a lot of these fighters want now, but it's gonna take a while. I've been doing this for my whole life. I would say probably I'm 20 right now, and I've been doing this for at least like 15 years, where I've been actually fighting and I've been actually working hard. So it's gonna take a while, and just stay working, and just be ready for the opportunity. And when it comes, be ready to show up.
Oh man, Sebastian. I mean, you've got everyone smiling. And you know what? We're going to leave the patience to you guys, the professionals, because you have to, get in that mindset. But we cannot be patient. We are like waiting for you to go out there in the ring the next time. We can hardly, sit in our seats. So just thank you so much for sharing a little bit of your journey with us. And again, for giving us the 411 on where you were
Yeah.
and where you're going next. So exciting. Before we leave, though, just one more time, if you could tell us how we could support you at this next event in Orlando. And then also for anyone that's just joining us, how we can keep up with you on social media.
Yeah, on Instagram, I am Sebastian Juarez. On Facebook, Sebastian El Trueno Juarez. On TikTok, I am Sebastian Juarez as well. And then, you can just look up Box Lab Promotions. They should be posting a lot more of the event. And yeah, you just keep up with me, keep up with my social media, and I'll be posting exactly like when the fights are, the link to the fights and everything like that. And just keep up on June 7th, just June 7th on the zone. If you have it, if you don't, just support because I'm representing 956. I'm representing Brownsville, and I'm not gonna be the first person or the last person to be out here in the bigger stage.
I love that so much. And for all our viewers watching, guys, I'm going to flex a little here. BOA Entertainments, I just want to say, we've been following Sebastian I kind of want to say all his career because we've been there for all of the exclusives.
Yeah.
As he's grown up and he is still, just shining so bright. So stay tuned with us because we're going to keep him along the journey. He is so gracious, always giving us time, even though he's very busy. So Sebastian, thank you so much for just remembering your BOA Entertainment's family and for just remembering your 956 family, no matter where you go. We are so proud of you. We really missed you at the last event, and we cannot wait to cheer from the top of our lungs to where we get a sore throat for your next event. And no matter what happens, you are always a champion in our eyes. So thank you so much for everything that you've done.
No, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for always supporting me, always, having time for not just me, but for my brother and for everybody there at the RGV. And, you guys have always been there, and you guys are are with us the whole way. And, I'm just excited for the future for not just me, but for y'all and for everybody here in the RGV. And, just thank you, everybody.
Awesome. Well, there you go, guys. Sebastian Trueno Juarez, live from Las Vegas, Nevada. So cool. Be sure to comment and message us because if you have any other questions for Sebastian, we can definitely save him for the next time. So very, very good stuff. On that note, wishing everyone a fabulous day. And Sebastian, different time zone, wishing you a fabulous day as well. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.